Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've made, and this is a traveller's notebook size vintage journal. It's quite eclectic, there's all sorts of bits inside here, but I have the main pages I have used are from ARTYmaze, and it's her collage collection. The front cover is 2 layers of cardstock, and then I've sewn on this lovely wallpaper onto it. It's kind of pearlescent, I think that's the right word. It's kind of shimmery a little bit. So we have that, it's all been sewn on. There is this image is from ARTYmaze, I believe, and I've just sewn that onto some coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. We've got a sari silk double ball here, little bead dangle that I made. I haven't made a bead dangle in ages. So I made a little bead dangle, and then there is this lovely lace here. Hope you can see that. It measures 8.5 by 4.5. There is one signature and 76 pages front and back. We have eyelets and this string as a closure. So let's see if I can get in here without making a knot. This will be listed in my shop, and also I've got a 24-hour flash sale on, and the code for that will be below, and that's on everything in the shop, including the digitals that I do have as well. So this is the paper that I was talking about from ARTYmaze. It's so pretty, so versatile. Here we just have a corner flip here with a butterfly that I made them ages ago, and they have been, what do you call that stuff? Is it glamour dust? I think it is, on it, so it's nice and sparkly. And then it's just got some mesh bling here. Then we have a large tag, just corner punched the 4 corners. We have this vintage receipt, which is from my digital collection, which is obviously in my shop. It's a bit squishy there. A tag that I made that says this book belongs to. We have a library card here. This is from Tsunami Rose, I believe. Got a little, made a boo-boo and printed these out like 2 to a sheet when I meant to just do it like just 1 to a sheet. So there's a little double journaling card inside there, little tag here from ARTYmaze's springtime collection. We've got some edge punching here. We have a paper bag. There is some music paper. There is, this is from the old design shop, and it's just some, what's it about? I think it might be a receipt of some sort. Some digital music paper. Then here we just have some more vintage prints from the old design shop. It's been coffee dyed, and then you can just write on that. Some more vintage ephemera from Tsunami Rose. There is some squared paper, some crocheted trim, some more paper from ARTYmaze. We just got a little pocket here, and I've popped a postcard on there with some crocheted trim. Then we have this tag is from ARTYmaze. This is just a stamped and stenciled tag I made. I can't remember where that's from. It might be Christie Art Designs or Cameo Shop, one of the two. And then another one of these little double journaling cards. I'll pop that back in a minute. Lots of writing space. Love this page from this kit. I think this is, not sure if this is the first collage 1 or collage 2 kit. I can't remember because I've printed loads of it off so that I've got it on hand. Here I've just made a pocket from one of the pages from that kit as well. I just got some crocheted trim, and then this little circle, like a little journaling card. That's from Dreams Etc. from, I think it's her collage kit. This is from Tsunami Rose, just coffee dyed on the back. A tag, a little piece of ephemera there from Tsunami Rose. This is Cameo Shop, I think, and this is Tsunami Rose. Paper bags, some more of this vintage music paper. This is from the old design shop. Some digital music paper, and here we have another like letter, which is from the old design shop. So it's good writing space. A little piece of ephemera here. from Tsunami Rose. Some more crocheted trim, centre of the signature. So lots of shimmer going on these pages. Another vintage letter. It's upside down. So there's that. And this. Oh yeah, the flash sale is actually 10% off. I didn't say that, I don't think. So yeah, it's 10% off. Code will be below. Another pocket here using another little circle embellishment from Dreams Etc. And then we have a tag. It says just a note. This is printed on vellum. Come out lovely. So pretty. That's a freebie from ARTYmaze. It's on her website, and I think it's also on her Facebook group. Oh, that doesn't want to go in. A library card from Tsunami Rose, another Tiffany & Co tag, and then a large double journaling card. That's the size the little one should have come out, but I don't know how I messed that up, but I did. Another pocket here with a postcard and some crocheted trim. Another tag which was from ARTYmaze. Tiffany & Co stamped tag. A journal card from Tsunami Rose. One of these little double journaling cards, and this little journaling card. Obviously a page from the kit. Here we have some more ephemera. And this is from the Old Design Shop. Just simply paper clipped on. Some vintage music paper, the other side of the paper bag. Some edge punching, another corner flip. This is our Rita Donnelly inspired. Oh, my fingers don't want to work. There you go. Flips up. Another butterfly there with some shimmer and some bling. And whoopsie, another large tag. This is just a butterfly piece of ephemera. It's been backed onto some white cardstock. Tag that I made. Some ephemera from Tsunami Rose. Another little tag from ARTYmaze's Springtime digital kit, and then another little journaling, double journaling card. And then the last page. Love these roses, the yellow roses, they're so pretty. So that's the journal. Quite a lot going on in here, lots of writing space. All the links will be below. The code for the flash sale will be below as well, and you can pop that in at checkout just before you pay for when you pay through PayPal. Just put the code in. I think it's like it says coupon or something like that. Coupon, yeah, I think it says that. I can't remember because obviously I don't use my own website not to buy anything anyway. But yeah, if you've got any problems entering the code, just let me know. And if you have any questions, just ask, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.